Hello, all my little friends.
Hello!
Hello, Lucio.
Hello, Lucio!
Lucio, today I'm going to talk about your cousins. Yes, about pedestrian traffic lights. Listen, boys and girls. When you want to cross the street, you should always do it on...
The pedestrian crossing!
That's right. Very good. I'm going to draw what a pedestrian crossing looks like. This is the crossing. And this is the pedestrian traffic light. There are two lights. When you see the green man, it means that you can cross the street. But always taking care, looking left and right, in case a car comes who isn't paying close attention. When the green man flashes, it means you have to be careful. It is better for you not to cross the road and wait. When you see the red man, it means you can't cross the street. Let's see what our little friend Victor does. Victor is happily walking down the street, going about his business, when on the other side of the street, he sees Carla, the girl that he really likes. And now the only thing he thinks about is running across the road to see her, without paying attention to the pedestrian traffic lights, which are showing the red man, which means that you can't cross. Victor, careful! Don't cross when it's red! He almost got run over. How silly! What a bump! That's what happens when you don't pay attention to the traffic lights. Very bad. Isn't that right, Lucio? And what a fright he gave Carla. Well, let's see now what she does. She has seen that the pedestrian traffic lights are showing the green man, and that the cars are stopping. Now she can cross. Excellent, Carla. The bumps that Victor got have dazed him. Now he isn't thinking about Carla anymore. He just wants to go home and rest. It's lucky that Carla stopped him. When the red man is showing, you shouldn't cross the street. We've already seen how dangerous it is. Now the green man is showing, but before crossing, you must look both ways to make sure that the cars have stopped. That's it now. Victor and Carla can cross safely. I hope that you always cross the street carefully, like them, who have now done it well and deserve green light, Lucio. And well, that's all for today, little friends. And remember, always cross the street
When you see the green man, look both ways.
and look both ways. Goodbye now.
Goodbye!